Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Animash, and yes, we've got another unboxing. So I've actually cut the box, because I'm so excited to get this one. But what is inside the box? So let's check it out. So before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Seiko Monster Generation 2, the Seiko Dracula or Vampire, whatever you're gonna call it, but I think I prefer Dracula, right? So because of that red teeth, and this looks awesome with this brand new sailcloth strap from iwantastrap.com. So thank you very much, Clement, for producing such a high quality watch strap, and yeah, I think it looks really nice on this Seiko Monster. Okay, so let's do the unboxing, or you know what, I just want to take it out. So basically we have this very simple cardboard box, and if you guys are familiar with these Chinese brands, you're gonna know what is inside of this thing. And boom, yes, it is a Heimdallr, or is it Heimdallr or Heimdallr? I have no idea, but this is the name of this Heimdallr is apparently, when you just check in the Instagram Heimdallr, so you're gonna find quite a lot of some Greek Greek hero or something like that, but I'm not really sure. But here we have this in writing in Chinese. It means sea. God, what is that? Is it rice? Anyway, so this is the Heimdallr logo, or they are also called as Sharkey, right? So what is inside the box? So which Heimdallr I've got? So this again, another box. That was a sleeve. This is the box, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the Seiko Captain Willard homage watch. So the 6105 what is it, 61058110, or anyway, so better known as the Seiko Willard watch from the 70s movie, or was it was 80s movies. So what is inside the box? So we have this simple sleeve here, and underneath it, so we have a Heimdallr what do you call that, manual instruction. This is a warranty card. I think they give a warranty of about 2 years, so it's nice to see that this is actually stamped. Anyway, so lots of these Chinese watchmakers, they don't really bother to stamp their warranty cards. So yeah, I don't know, I don't really think that I will have problems, because this one has the NH35, the Seiko NH35 movement in it. And yeah, check that out. Okay, so I'm having trouble focusing here. Okay, so come on, camera. Okay, so we have that beautiful sapphire insert, sapphire crystal, and we have that ceramic bezel insert, and very classy styling from the Seiko S6105. We have those bold indices, rectangular indices, square. Is it square? No, it's still a rectangular indices, but this style is well known throughout the watch community. And yep, I know what, there's quite a lot of brands out there doing a homage watches for this particular 6105. So namely the Steel Dive, the Saint Martin, or even quite a lot of other brands. But I particularly choose this what do you call this, Heimdallr, because I just love that shark logo there. So anyway, some people hate it, some people don't like it at all, but I think it's cool to see a shark here rather than here. I just prefer to see the shark, always see the shark, so rather than a Heimdallr written on here, because you know what, the Heimdallr logo on their other watches, they don't really look that impressive in my opinion. But yeah, still, anyway, so this is I've talked about the ceramic bezel insert, I've talked about the sapphire crystal. Apparently it has some AR coating, but not as strong as this, just my Steel Dive. And we have those thick again rectangular style hands, our hands and minute hands, and we have that traffic light second hands there with that red dot, and at the bottom we have automatic water 200 meters resist in red, and I have no idea what is that logo means, so that one I have no idea. So if you guys know, please do let me know in the comment section below. And at the bottom we have limited edition 6105-8110. Maybe this is the particular reference number that this watch is homaging. I have no idea. And let's check out the bezel action. Oh, that is very tight. I think that, oh my god, this is very tight and quite difficult to adjust, but we have 120 clicks and boom, it aligns perfectly. Right, so it lines perfectly because it doesn't really have any chaptering whatsoever. So we do have a chaptering, but it is all blacked out here, so on this side. And we have this very unique turtle shaped case. I will do a comparison later on with my Seiko turtle putty, right? So this is the 6309 case, this is the 6105 case, and immediately you can see that there's quite a lot of difference between these two, right? So we have this crown here with this quite a prominent crown guard, and that crown also mimics the 6105, where we have this, what they call this, indentation here. So it's not really that, you know, of a knurling, so it's kind of looks the vintage-ish following the actual 6105. But because of this, I think it's quite difficult to screw this thing back in. Maybe because of the design of the crown guard. I'm not sure. It's quite, you know what, it's difficult to screw that thing back in, because it's kind of okay. So I'm gonna be trying this again one more time. Go boom, come on, man. All right, so that is in, right? Okay, so at the back, what else we see at the back? So we have the Heimdallr logo down here, and the sapphire crystal, automatic movement, all stainless steel, water resistance. Oh, inside we have of course the NH35, right? So I've got the version with this rubber strap, which also have this sign Heimdallr up top, and at the back we have this, you know, pattern, a waffle pattern here with quite a lot of holes, and this waffle pattern strap does give it that vintage vibe, right? So let's see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. So this is not a full review, guys. This is just an initial review of what I think about this watch on the first day that I've seen it. As now, I'm not really that impressed yet, because you know what, I think it looks a bit too bland. We'll see with the you know, a strap combination that I have. Let's see how it performs in daily wear. And yeah, now surprisingly, for a 44 millimeters case watch, this thing doesn't really look too big if I compare it to this particular Seiko turtle, right? So that is weird, to be completely honest with you. Oh, that looks really weird, because this thing looks a lot bigger, although they both have the same case size. And I don't know how the Heimdallr or the Seiko 6105 managed to look a lot smaller. All right, so this is my initial review for this particular piece. So please go ahead and give your comments down below if you want to ask me something about this particular watch. Let's just give it a quick wipe. So if you want to ask anything about this particular watch, or how it performs, blah blah blah, please do a comment. Please leave a comment down below, and I hope you guys stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.